Kia ora whānau, I'd just like to do a part 3 update of the fake bird flu pandemic. Just to let you know, the government have been planning this for quite some time and getting ready to unleash the bird flu here in New Zealand. We already knew it was coming and it's here. How can people say you're a conspiracy theorist when you told them it was coming and it is here? The bird flu pandemic is here. So we already knew that was coming. We can't be conspiracy theorists when we already knew they were bringing it. So just a word of caution. They are going to release it onto more farms within the next couple of weeks. There will be an egg shortage and there will be a chicken shortage across New Zealand. There's already been one in Australia. They said over there it would not happen, that they had contained it to one farm. We now know that they have lied yet again. It's not been contained to one farm. So this is the government's fake bird flu pandemic plan. Okay, it's called a planned bird flu demic. So thank you very much for all those people that have tuned into my video. It is fantastic to let you know what the government's planning next with their fake bird flu pandemic. We warned people last year back in 2021 and 22 that they would be bringing the bird flu pandemic. How did we know that? Because they had already planned the fake bird flu pandemic. So until next time, we will update you when we get more news, but there's bound to be at least another 10 farms that they're going to be targeting with their fake bird flu pandemic. Have a great day.